a spoken faith. Hello friends, this is Yundel, and today's share from the scripture I want to share with you. A spoken faith. Because as it says in Psalm 66:10, for you God tested us, you refine us like silver. We have to understand, before we see the promises of God fulfilled in our life, there will be always a test. Before you go into the promise Lord have prepared for you, there will be giants and fortified cities. Things that looks impossible. One way your faith is released is through that when you are staying in times of tasting. Keep staying even you are in a difficult time. You have to keep staying during the testing times. Your mind will tell you all the reason it's not going to happen, and the temptation is to start speaking negatively that gives life to the doubts and limits what God will do. Don't let that happen. You must have a spoken faith in you. Speak what God says in His Word about you. Let your words of faith override the doubts. Speak faith when every thought is telling you it's never going to work out. I don't have what it takes. You can talk about how bad it's been, or you can say, Father, thank you that you have the beauty for this access. What was meant for my harm, you are turning to my advantage. I'm excited about my future. That's what causes God to go work for you when you have a spoken faith. A spoken faith is to speak out and believe in yourself that I can do this. I have the capacity to do it. I am capable of doing this. Saying the positive words about your journey. When you can keep saying the positive affirmation, the positive thoughts, that is a spoken faith. You are saying that because you will believe that. You must believe what you said. And when you believe that, you can do the great things as well, because God will empower you, His strength, and He will be there for you. Feel excited that God is turning around your situation. All those negative testing will turn out into your advantage. Be excited about your future, that what God says, God go to work. When you believe, when you speak a spoken faith, that's the time God will go to work. That's when you'll defeat giants, defeat the trials, beat the illness, and the right people will suddenly show up for you to help you, to support you. You are fighting the giants when you are in the testing moment of your life. You have to speak that faith about God. Trust in yourself. Say that to yourself. My faith and trust are anchored to you, Lord, and your power at work in my life. Speak that. That is a spoken faith. When you can speak that my faith and trust are anchored to you, Lord, and your power at work in my life. Thank you that I don't have to be moved by the tests and troubles. I face it all because I am fully persuaded that you will do what you promise. I believe and declare that my hope is in you, Lord. That is a spoken faith. You have to say it loud. You have to believe what you are saying. Say it loud, because the more you say it, the more you will believe in it, the more you can make it. Believe me, you are going to fulfill the greatness of your dreams, the greatness of your destiny, when you have a spoken faith. Say it loud and believe that before you see the promises of God fulfilled in your life, understand that there will be a test, and before you go into the promised land, there will be a giants and trials and challenges along the way. You have to face it before you reach the goals and successes in life. That's life, and that we all have to pass that test. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for dropping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all, and bye-bye.